We're content creators now. We be recording everything. But bro, when I tell you, like, I'm so glad I have found like content creation. You don't even know, and that I'm
No,
actually
no.
acting on it because
But I wish I started earlier too.
I don't even mind that I didn't start earlier. Um, but I do wish I just acted. But that's a conversation for another day. But brother, when I tell you, yeah, I'm so happy that we found content, bro. Like, think about it.
Yeah.
I find video editing so fun. Like the video editing aspect is so fun to me, right? But then we've also got the scripting. I'm finding the scripting so fun now because like I can talk about anything I want, and there's a framework that I'm understanding, backstory, hook, backstory, breaking point, takeaway, um,
Mhm.
and then even the recording process is fun because like I can think of whatever, but and I'm so looking forward to the iteration process where it's like I really like this creator that I've seen, and I see that they've done this. So let me add it to my bag and then compound it. So each time I'm recording a video, I'm using each thing I've learned, yeah, and then I'm learning another new thing each time, and it's gonna be brother. I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you. I'm just so grateful. I used to be addicted to FIFA. Now I'm addicted to content.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Like for me, I struggle with the iteration part, right? Like I don't really have a really good iteration formula. I feel like maybe that's what happened and that's what's causing our problem.
Let's speak.
Something like that.
Let's break it down. Let's
For
figure
you,
it out now.
yeah, like
One thing that I discovered about myself is I really enjoy it when something is dynamic and something is ever growing. Like something will continuously improve, rather than saying I need to get it perfect and it cannot change. You know, so like even with my second brain, have I told you about my second brain?
no.
So what my second brain is, all I've done is um, everything everything is pretty much also online, like on my Google Drive. So, for example, if I learn something new, if I watch an interesting video, like I have a document for my reflection, I have a document for this. I've just, how best can I explain this? So, the brain is primed for generation, like generating new ideas, etc., etc. It can hold information, obviously, but it's specifically primed for generating interesting ideas or cool stuff, yeah? So, a problem I had was I would go about like I'll come up with such cool ideas in the shower, for example, or I'll learn from some YouTube video, some interesting ass information that I was like, if I apply this, bro, this will change my life. Now the only problem was I'd forget them, you know. So it's like information was just slipping through my hands. It's like water was running, and I just had my hands like this. So all the water was all the value, but it was just going through my hands, and I wasn't actually like grasping onto anything that I could use and drink and then improve myself with. So one thing I did was start to like just write everything down, bro. I've told you about my analogy with the maths question, haven't I? Like if you have a simple maths question like 2 times 3, you can do that in your head. But the moment it becomes 23 times 3, obviously you can do that in your head as well. But like the moment it becomes like 22 times 52, for example, then you're gonna want to get out a piece of paper, a piece of pen, and it makes it more manageable to be able to get that thing done. Now that's just a complex math question. Imagine your life. Your life has so many more layers and so much more complexity and nuances to it.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So yeah, bro, the second brain, I love it, man. Anyways, my second brain is continuously improving. Like I started it years ago. However, even 31st of December, it was the last. I made a structural change to it where I discovered a new piece of information on how I can organize it so it's easier for me. Um,
So you like wait. So it's like for you, like you create a place where you can put the information that you learn and store it somewhere. That's what you're saying.
right. And its function is so that I can use it later, and so that I can use it
Mm. Like
because
how do you use it though? Like what do you mean? It's functioning in a way that
okay,
you use
like
it
let's
later.
say for example, I'm learning cool information about like okay, my ability to speak to women and to be
Mm-hmm.
to have charisma. Okay, no, not charisma,
Yeah.
but like specifically with women, yeah, it's a
Mm-hmm.
learned skill. Like I wasn't, and
Mm-hmm.
I'm still learning. I wasn't. I'm not naturally like um talented
I get
at
that. I get that.
speaking
I
to women.
understand. I understand. I
So
understand.
I would let's say I've now found this amazing guy by the way, Taekwondo. Yo, Enoch.
Mm-hmm.
If ever you're like, okay, yeah, I'm ready, I want to chat to any woman, you're struggling, Taekwondo on YouTube, bro. Oh my god. Because,
Who? Taekwondo?
yes, brother, he will tell you, like, yo, it starts from self improvement. Like, you should be attracting, you should be working on yourself to become a high value man.
Yeah,
And
bro.
then,
For that, I know that's true. I know
and then
that.
once you're a high
It's like,
value man, you're
can
attracting.
I say something? Can I say something where you complete?
Of course.
It's like, once I noticed, like, okay, I do, right? I mean, let's say I do talk to girls. Like, I mean, I did have other things to mean that make people, girls, like me as a person, right? But also, I'm like, bro, as soon as I start focusing on myself, I can see like how the thing around me, you know what I'm getting, you know what I'm saying? Even if I'm not there, I hear my names in conversation. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm working towards something, so it's like it attracts them.
Yeah, for sure,
So
Steve, bro.
okay.
I love that.
No, continue. I'm listening.
I was just talking about your iteration process. Like, you seem to think it needs to be perfect and it needs to be something that that works every single time. But bro, it's something that we're constantly getting better at. Like, our iteration process itself is getting it is constantly iterating, but not like we're forcing it. We're just naturally we find a solution, we fix it, like a bug. Especially you as an AI person, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So very simply, all you're trying to achieve is everything that you're doing that's good, you want to keep the same, and then each time you do a repetition, you want to change one thing that was bad. Very simply.
So it's like each time, okay, each time you make something, let's say each time you do something right, you want to improve. Okay, you want to improve it on the next trial, but also
Now, first, the most important part is keeping the good things that you did the same.
That's the most important part. Keeping the good things that you did the same.
Maintaining it, like maintaining the habit.
Yeah, I think that is the problem of my inspiration problems, like keeping the good things. So how do you do that? You do that by analyzing why this worked and
Fuck the
how I
why.
should
Fuck the why. Just write down what worked, and then repeat that each
what
time,
worked.
and use it as a checklist. Like, okay, have I done X? Have I done Y? Have I done Z?
For example, right? One of my audio, okay, I don't know if my audio has been fixed, but I still think it's bad. But anyways, but like, I think it's way better than before, though.
100%, 100%. I told you about that earlier today when we were on call, didn't I?
Maybe it's just me, but my audio was one of my problem that I had, and I did fix it one time. One time I actually did the audio was really smooth. I don't know how I did it.
Which clip was
But
that?
I
Let me watch
did
it.
It was the one where the first time I used my camera. It was like the one where it's kind of blue. I'm outside. It's like the first time
I'm
I
focusing.
filmed.
I don't. My bad. Sorry about that, bro. I'm even focusing on my editing. Don't mind me. I'm not gonna take a look at it now, but I'll
Oh
look
yeah,
back
I'm
to
just
it.
saying. I'm just
Oh,
describing
right,
it.
right, right.
But yeah. It was good. But I couldn't remember how I did it. You know. I mean, I did have a clear understanding, but I don't really know what was the environment, right? Because a lot of things could have affected the environment,
You
the
know,
mic placement, whatever. But the audio came out great, so I wanted to keep it like that. But then some of my other video got fucked up. But
okay.
I think I just
Yeah, I agree. Sorry. Go on. Documenting what you've done. Yeah, I like that. Continue. What were you saying?
no, I'm saying yeah. So it's like probably I need to document what I've done and how it worked, so I shouldn't make the same mistake. And it's been working pretty well.
I was organizing everything, folders, systems, layouts. One thing you need to know. Oh, phew, that got me scared. I was going to say, like, what did I do? Yeah, did I forget to record it? One thing you need to know if you want to be productive. I was organizing everything, folders, systems, layouts. It looked clean, but I wasn't making any progress. And then I realized I was organizing instead of acting.
organization should push you into motion. If it doesn't create action,
delete it. I love creating content, man. I love creating content.